Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the app Read and Write. So Read and Write is an extension. So this is the extension. If you click on it, it's going to pop up with a toolbar that you can use. So we're going to go through the basics of using these tools for Read and Write. So if I want a page to be read to me, I just push play. But when I push play, it starts off giving all the information on the page. So instead of just pushing play, I want to highlight where to start. So if I highlight where to start and push play, it's going to start right there.
The scent of animal droppings used to find endangered species. By Agence France.
I push pause when I want it to pause and then continue going. If I push stop, then it will stop it completely. So if I push stop, you can see the highlights go away. So a cool feature is when you highlight and it starts where you highlight, it will highlight that sentence it's reading, and then the actual word is blue. So if we look one more time again.
The scent of animal droppings used to find endangered species.
So the word it's reading right now is blue, and the sentence is in yellow. So we're going to push stop. So that is the play, pause, and stop buttons. The next button to it is the screenshot reader. So if I scroll down a little bit, this is just going to take a section that you want to read in the screenshot. So if I just screenshot this paragraph, it's only going to read that screenshotted area.
Scientists in Australia have invented a new way to study threatened animal species.
And I can just push the X to close it out. The tool next to it is called the Audio Maker, which creates an audio from the text you're reading, so you could go back and listen to it later. And then Screen Mask, if you want to read it yourself, this is a helpful tool, because you can only see certain parts of the text, so it kind of blocks out and doesn't make it as overwhelming. To click out of this, you're just going to click back on Screen Mask and it will go away. Next tool we're going to skip for right now, Talk and Type Translator. So if it was in English and you needed it to be in Spanish, you can highlight the word. So say we want scientists in different language. I click on Translator and then it's going to come up here and show me different words. So this is the in different languages. The next tools are the highlighter tools, which can be very useful. So I'm going to click on the yellow highlighter and I'm going to highlight the first sentence. To take away a highlighter, you would just use this eraser one. So now that's just the first sentence. And then I could highlight just a specific word if I wanted to as well. The tool next to it, this little arrows, collects your highlights. So if I click that button, it's going to ask what colors we want to collect. I'm going to push OK, and it's going to open up a new page with just the areas highlighted. And then, of course, it has the name and where it came from. So it's cool. Also, if I click on the button Vocabulary, it's going to create a vocabulary list. So first I'm going to erase some of my highlights. So if I have the word endangered, I can click on this and it's going to be a list of the words that I have highlighted. So we can see endangered is my word. The meaning, it has a symbol, and then you can add your own up your memory as well. So symbol is a picture, it's just taking a while to load. So we go back into the article. I can also click on the dictionary app of Read and Write. So this is when you highlight a word. So I've got endangered right now, it's highlighted. Whoops. And I click the dictionary, it can tell me here what endangered means, rather than opening up a new page in a vocabulary list. So endangered animals was not found. I can also, we'll just highlight the word Australia and go to this picture one. This is a picture dictionary, so it will come up with a picture. So there's Australia's flag and Australia's continent, the picture of it. So one more time, if I highlight this word and go into the dictionary button, it will give me the definition of Australia. This last button over here that we didn't talk about simplifies the page, so it might make it just simpler without all of this extra stuff on it. So that is how you use the app called Read and Write.